We are about to make our boat better, using the petrol trimmer and this new special device we bought. This time it's getting serious. We have ordered this attachment with a propeller. And as you see, it is ready for use. All we have to do is to fasten it to the motor. It is the same petrol motor you've seen previously. And now, show them the biggest upgrade, Stas. This is a new wheel chamber, and now we can use it. Hey, but how are we gonna pump it on the place? It will take us an hour and a half, man. Okay, let's pump it beforehand. Oh my, you've got a nice workshop here. There's the wire. Okay, I see it. Oh man, I've got an awesome workshop here. It's going to be long. This time both of us can board. Why there are dots? Is that a decoration? If this one blow up, it will be fun. It is supposed to be pumped to this limit. Oh, it is extremely soft. Should we place a seat here? I don't know yet, but I guess no. Good? Yeah, it's awesome. It looks like a real boat. Cool, let's make it a boat. Let me measure it. Like this. 164. What the heck is that, Stas? It's just a switcher from an old car. It's intact. Yeah, it used to work. Fits well. I think it's gonna pop out. Let's use some scotch tape. Just for better fixation. It will make it easier. Are you doing well? Oh my, it's harder than I thought. Why on earth it's so hard? We're adjusting it right on the going. There we go. I can see its shape already. It looks like a classic boat now. It is a standard throttle that was in the box. But we also have a special boat throttle. Difference is I can fixate this button, so it will preserve the speed I set. Let's disconnect it. I switch it from the max to minimum and so on. Let's install it finally. We also want to make some muffler. I guess we can put on a hose and sync it. It will become really quiet, the motor will whisper, because last time it was too loud. You know, I'm really encouraged when I look at it. Just look at this fastening. I hope this one is high quality and it will cope with our motor. Ready. We're gonna use this wooden plate. What do you think? Will we sink today? I'm not sure yet. We could use some seed, like this maybe. We've made the boat, and now we're going to test it. Let's go. Come on. What are these sounds? Yeah, cops are just what we need now. It's an ambulance, Alex. Climate control. How do you like it? Oh my, it's a real fan there. Oh my gosh. Careful. Now we have to push it. I knew this was going to happen. We can turn it, come on. Push it, Alex. Spark plug? No, it's overheated. It ate some air, right? Yeah, right. Damn it. I need to suck it. Oh my gosh. You gonna drink it? There's no other way. There we go. Here we go again. I think they will not mind. There it is, our spinner. Let's wet it. Look at this beauty. It's just a piece of wood, a big wheel chamber and a petrol trimmer with an attachment. And that's it, that's a boat. Take the chamber, Alex. Oh, they're going home. I smell kebab. Yeah, cool. Hey, doggo. Lower. Let's see. Oh, it's deep enough. Let's start it. Let's go. Did you push the button? What button? I don't see one. Oh, never mind. I'm so eager to see this. I wanna swim. Starts well. Have a look at this beauty. It's vibrating hard. There's too much smoke though. It will go with max speed when you open it. The hole for the smoke. Oh my gosh, this beast is smoking hard. It goes, it's working. What did you do? It's all smoking hard. I just turned the throttle. I have been waiting for this moment. Is it stable enough? Yeah, I think so. Oh really? It's going! Oh my gosh! Oh my, where am I going? Don't go there! Why are you... He ran aground. I just got a little distracted. Sleeper's oars. It is really fast, isn't it? It's shallow here. You're gonna touch the bottom here. Oh, you wanna start from there? Okay. As you can see, he can go any direction, backwards, forwards, just choose the way you want. I have found out something! Is the handle attaching the wrong way? No, we have to make some fastening right here. Does it shake or something? Just look at this strong current. This shaft raises up like it is alive. Look at there. That is why you can't go full throttle, right? Yeah, you're right. It's shaking hard. No one could predict this happen. There must be a special clamp over there. Well guys, always read the manual before assembly of this thing. What the heck are you doing? Don't stop pressing so rapidly. I got it, I got it! I have to turn the handle and go backward, it's cool! I've got it finally! It's very simple, we have attached the handle in the opposite way. Now steering will be easier and the motor is higher. Do you realize what is happening? He is going against the current right now. Automatic mode on. Some of you said that the boat was slow. Can I join you maybe? It's scary. Oh no, it's drowning! Of course it does. We should have pumped it harder. Are you sitting now? Yeah, almost there. Why did I agree to do that? It's so scary. Yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh. Not that fast, please. It's okay, Alex, we are going well. Shallow. There we are, and the board is slipping. Really? Show me. I told you, I knew this will happen. Just have a look here. I felt that something was wrong. It is good it didn't blow up. Generally, the boat is going well, but when you start turning, the boat is bending really hard, and I feel like I lose balance. Look what happened to the propeller. No, it's alright. Not yet, right? Oh my gosh! To put it back, we have to blow off the entire chamber. And if we do that, we will be pumping it back for 2 hours here. And that is why we are going to the place that I've recently found. I think I found the smuggler's boat. Who else may need to reach the opposite shore? If the opposite shore belongs to another country. Yeah, I can see the traces from a car. Fresh. They were here after rain, it's clear. Hey, how do you like this boat? It is on the right. Look at it. It is hidden. Oh, it's working. I told you, it may be a poacher boat too. You know, catching fish with net. It even has an ID. Oh my, there's a lock. A lock? It's just a dog chain. And there is a lock on the other side. Whose boat is that? And maybe there's another one. Maybe we can just fasten it with scotch tape? That will do. It's for 150, classic. Finally, we have given our boat to one of our friends to be tested. He's going starkly. Now I can see it from the shore finally. I hope he will not sink our motor. Come on, turn it. So is it okay or the motor is weak? I think it's okay. And when I start turning, the motor has some overloads. With one move, our boat turns into a simple chamber. This board was the heaviest part, I think. Underwater lawn mower. Well friends, I can say that this boat model was cool. If we see that you want us to make it better, we will do it. And next time we're going to make an enormous pool out of big plastic bottles. Subscribe, or you're gonna miss this. Hold it like this, I'm going in! Are you okay? What do you think, guys? Should we continue filming with Vadim? Or maybe you want me to film with Stas?
Капец.